dear and lovely students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the English class. This class is for Standard 1st, Semi-English, Urdu. Let's learn English with more fun. Are you enjoying this English class? You are enjoying now? Very good. Dear students, today we will learn the new poem, School is Over. Listen, repeat and sing with me. Are you ready? Let's start.
School is over, oh what fun! School is over, oh what fun! Lesson finished, play begun. School is over, oh what fun! Lessons finished, play begun. Who'll run fastest? You or I. Who'll laugh loudest? Let us try. Who'll run fastest? You or I. Who'll laugh loudest? Let us try. School is over. Oh, what fun! School is over. Oh, what fun!
Dear students, to learn the poem, repeat the video again and again and learn it. Thanks for watching.